share with you all a very popular summer drink from Bengal. The name of the recipe is Ampora Sharbat or roasted mango panna. This is almost similar to Aam Panna that we have, but here we are going to roast the mango and prepare it. So the ingredients that are required to make Ampora Sharbat or roasted mango panna are: first of all we need is a raw mango, then we need mint leaves which are called pudina, then we need jaljeera, powdered sugar, black salt and chilled water. So let us begin now. So the first thing that we have to do is wash the mango nicely, then place the mango and roast it. In Aam Panna, we normally boil the mangoes, but in this recipe, we are going to roast it. The smoky flavor of the mango will give a very nice flavor to the sharbat. So friends, as you can see, the mango is now nicely roasted. I will turn off the gas and let it cool for some time. And now that it is cooled, I will very gently remove the skin from it. Now I will separate the pulp from the seed. So now you can see the pulp here. After separating the seed from it, now I will add this to a mixing jar. So now I am adding the mango pulp into the mixing jar. Then I will add some mint leaves, pudina, and pour some water and blend it in the mixer grinder. So friends, as you can see, this is how it looks after blending. Now I will prepare the mango panna. So for that, I have taken here 2 glasses of chilled water. Here I am going to add the mango pulp that I have grinded. Then I am going to add the powdered sugar, add the sugar according to your taste. Then after adding sugar, I am going to add black salt, about 1 teaspoon, and jaljeera, about 1 teaspoon. Now give a good mix. Taste once and see whether the quantity of sugar and the salt is proper or not. I will add some more black salt to it and some jaljeera. And give a good stir. So friends, roasted mango panna is ready. Now I will serve it. So for serving, I have taken here 2 glasses. I will add the mango panna into it. For garnishing, I am going to add some more jaljeera into it and a mint leaf. So friends, pora amer sharbat or roasted mango panna is ready to serve now. Enjoy this refreshing drink and stay cool in this summer. And don't forget to like and share this recipe with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please leave a comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching my video.